Hello friends, today we are going to solve shifting letters second. At first n equal length of s. Now second is result as an array of characters. Now third one is equals shift array for storing the shifts between start and end. Now let's compute the shifts. So for start, end and direction in shifts, we are going to take shift value which is 1 if direction equal 1, else -1. Now add the shift value to shift array of start and decrement the same shift value from shift end so that we can get the total shifts. After this, compute prefix sum. This one is simple. For I in range 1 to n, we are going to assign shift array of I plus equals shift array of I minus 1. For I in range n, net shifts equal shift array of I modulo 26. Now new char equal character function on order of s of I minus order of a plus net shifts, and we will do modulo 26 to get it in the range inclusive 26. Then we will add order of a to get the exact number. Now append the new character to the result. In the end, simply return the result by using join method. Okay friends, see you later. Bye bye.